Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use polls in a group on WhatsApp. To do this is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp, and after that you have to go to the group where you want to post the poll. For example, I will open this group. After that, you click in the plus on the bottom left of the screen. After that, you choose poll option, and you will ask any question. For example, where we should eat today. For example, I will give the options: McDonald's, for example, and the second option I will put Pizza Hut. You can add more options, of course, if you want, and you can organize and reorganize the options by clicking on the three lines next to the option and change the order. And you can allow the members of the group to have multiple answers, or you can deactivate this multiple answers option so they can have only one answer, and we click send. And as you can see, this is the question and the answers. For example, like that, I voted for one. If I want to choose the other one, my answer will change the other one. So I can only choose one option or one answer. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.